I've been using the 1-inch high impact torque wrench for tightening up 1-inch bolts. You get up to like 1.5" nuts on time. I didn't feel like there was any shortage of power at all. For as light as it was, it hit really, really hard compared to any of the corded tools that I've used.
That 1-inch high torque impact wrench has 1,800 foot-pounds. That's more than adequate for what we're doing.
It had a huge punch and it brought all the power right to the handle.
When you got something lightweight and it's still powerful enough, I could do this all day and not have a fatigue problem with my arms or anything like that. It's easier on my shoulders, easier on my joints. I could actually impact the bolt one-handed versus two-handed, and everything was really well balanced.
It's safer for us as we're climbing up and down the ladders and in and out of the boom lift, you know, extending our arms out of it. I would say it feels like 10-pound difference when I grab it.
It's a lot more balanced too versus the pneumatic 1-inch gun. It is smaller in size as well, so you can get in tighter spots.
The benefits to the M18 technology is not having a 1-inch air hose to drag all across the iron. I don't have to have an air compressor that I got to maintain. I don't have a generator for electricity to maintain, and I don't have to run power cords.
You won't have to down a machine and ship it to the shop. You can actually do the job a lot more easier on site out in the field. And it has just as much power and torque as the pneumatic one.
The 1-inch high torque impact wrench definitely be a favorite tool of plumbers, fitters, iron workers.
The 1-inch high torque impact, it's lightweight, it's powerful, and it's portable.